Hello students, I welcome you all to today's amazing session. This is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting chapter. As you can see on the screen, Gulliver Travels. Gulliver's Travel. Okay students, so this is the story. It's a really very interesting story and definitely you are going to enjoy. And the story takes us on to the second voyage which Gulliver takes to the land of Brobdingnag. Okay, and it also clears our perception of appearance that giants initially looked scary, but they were good and kind people. So let's see, students, what we are going to do in this chapter. Exactly, we are going to read the chapter line by line. We are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meanings. So, a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? Okay. So, students, let's move on to the chapter. When a person tells the story of his life in his own words, it is called an autobiography. So, self written life story, that is called autobiography. So, children, underline this word autobiography, right? And Gulliver, a sailor who once caught in the land of giants. Giants, that means very big people, okay? Tall, big, okay? That is called giants. This is how he describes his experience. Okay, so let's see what happened in his story. His Gulliver described his experience. So let's move on to the para. On the 16th of June 1730 we discovered land. एक लैंड को उन्होंने डिस्कवर्ड किया था. ओके, पता लगाया था. Our captain sent a dozen men with vessels for water because all were thirsty. Okay, so they need water. So what their captain did, he ordered, उसने order दिया कि जाओ पानी लेके आओ. If any could be found, and the order was that you just go and get water from there. पानी मिलेगा तो लेके आना. If any could be found. Okay. When we came to land, we saw no river or spring nor any inhabitants. That means when they went there in the place, what they found that there was no sign of water. Okay, no lake, nothing, no river, nothing was there. Okay, so what happened then? Let's see what happened then. Inhabitant, I explained you. The meaning of inhabitant, students, a person or animal that lives in. Okay, so I went on to explore. The country was barren and rocky. So what he did, that means he went on explore. Underline this word explore, students. Explore. Okay, so the meaning of explore is, it's given over here, the word given over here, explore. Explore meaning, students, travel in. Barren, that means too poor to produce any vegetation. Crew, that means a group of people who work on. Getting me, students? Getting me? All together I told you. So I went to explore as their captain told him, go and search water. So they went the place. They what they found there was no river, there were no people, right? So I turned back to join the crew. So what he thought कि okay, मुझे वापस जाना चाहिए. So I turned back to return to join the crew. Crew, that means a group of people who work in a ship, that is called um, crew. So to join the crew, only to see them getting into the boat and rowing for life to get to the ship. And what I saw, do you know, मैंने क्या देखा कि वो सारे लोग बोट पे बैठ रहे थे अपनी लाइफ बचाने के लिए. Okay, so let's see what happened then. Before I could reach them, I observed a huge creature. So observed, underline students, given over here, observed, it's given over here. And huge, that means very big. Okay, noticed, observed, notice. So here, before I could reach them, I observed a huge creature walking after them in the sea as fast as he could. So here, what he saw, what Gulliver saw, what he saw, do you know? He saw that a huge person, okay, creature, underline this word creature, creature, he was walking, उसकी just पीछे वो क्या कर रहा था, walking after them in the sea as fast as he could, जितनी fast वो walk कर सकता था, he was walking, okay. The water of the ocean reached only till his knees, and he was such a giant person, he was such a giant person that what happened, do you know? The water level, it was coming till his knees, उसके knees तक ही पानी आ रहा था. The water of the ocean reached only till his knees. However, the monster was unable to overtake the speeding boat. Okay, but though that person was monster, very huge, very giant person, but he was unable to overtake, वो overtake नहीं कर पा रहा था जो बोट स्पीड से चल रही थी. He was unable to overtake the speeding boat. I turned back quickly. Then what he did, he turned back quickly and climbed up a steep hill with hills with fields of barley on either side and the corn rising up to 40 feet. So what he did, he just quickly, वहाँ पे एक स्टीप का मतलब होता है राइजिंग और फॉलिंग शार्पली, ओके. एक बहुत स्टीप हिल था, उस पर उसने क्लाइम किया, और जगह ऐसी थी जहाँ पे बार्ली के मतलब with fields of barley on either side, barley के फील्ड लगे हुए थे, and the corn rising up to 40 feet, और कॉर्न के भी कॉर्न थे वहाँ पे जो कि rising up to 40 feet. There was a fence to pass from one field to another. So students, underline this word fence. वहाँ पे एक फेंस भी लगे हुए थे. फेंस का मतलब है रेलिंग अपराइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड फेंस. एंड the people can go from one field to another, okay. So there was by using this fence, the people can go from one field to another, okay. So there was a fence to pass from one field to the other. So now let's move on to the next para. So students, it was impossible for me to climb because every step was 6 feet high, as Gulliver was alone there, okay, and it was very difficult for him to climb. What he did, do you know? Because he was so small person, and he reached the place where everything was tall and giant, okay. And I was trying to find a gap in the hedge. Hedge, that means bushes, okay, jhadiya, okay. So underline this word students, hedge, okay, hedge. When I discovered one of the inhabitant in the next field walking towards the fence, he was on the same size as the creature chasing the boat. So what he noticed, do you know? When he was just trying to find a gap in the hedge at that time, he noticed that one of the inhabitants, कोई एक और भी पर्सन उसने देखा जो कि फील्ड में था वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द फेंस. एंड ही वॉज इन द सेम साइज, ही वॉज ऑफ द सेम साइज, वो सेम साइज का था जैसा. ही वॉज ऑफ द सेम साइज एंड द same kind of a person, huge tall person was there, okay. So what happened then, do you know? I was struck with utmost fear and astonishment and ran to hide myself. Astonishment, underline this word, astonishment. Astonishment, students, is surprised. That man was surprised. Gulliver was surprised to see that person, because that person who was near the fans, who was walking towards the fans, who was very similar to that person, that means huge and tall. So he was so surprised, so astonished, and what he did, do you know, he ran to वो दौड़ा और अपने आप को दौड़ा अपने आप को छिपाने के लिए. He ran to hide himself. He called in a voice much louder than a trumpet. और वो आवाज़ लगा रहा था जो कि बहुत लाउडर वॉइस था. मच देन अ मच लाउडर देन अ trumpet, that means musical instrument. Okay, it sounded like thunder. Seven monsters like him came towards the field ready to reap the corn. And when he was calling out at that time, ऐसा लग रहा था कि सेवन मॉन्स्टर लाइक हिम केम टूवर्ड्स द फील्ड. और उसको तब वो थंडर के जैसा उसका साउंड था. और सेवन मॉन्स्टर ऐसा लगा कि उसकी तरफ आ रहे थे. towards the field, ready to reap the corn. Okay, they carried a reaping hook which was very big. And what they were carrying with him, reaping hook था उसके पास, जो कि वो भी बहुत बहुत बड़ा था. तो as you can see here, as you can see on the picture, reaping hook उसके पास है. Okay, when one of the reapers approached where I lay hidden, I screamed as I loud as I could. जब मैंने एक जायंट मॉन्स्टर मेरे को अप्रोच किया तो मैं बहुत ज़ोर से चिल्लाया. ओके, इतनी ज़ोर से स्क्रीम किया. स्क्रीम्ड मतलब यू नो व्हेन यू क्राइड लाउडली, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्क्रीम्ड. उसने इतनी ज़ोर से चिल्लाया. आई स्क्रीम्ड एज लाउड एज आई कुड. द क्रिएचर स्टॉप्ड रिपिंग. The creature was there, the monster was there, the giant person was there, a huge tall person was there who stopped hearing the cry. Okay, picked me up between his thumb, and this giant person, उसने उसको उठा लिया. As you can see on the picture, कैसे उसको उठाया हुआ है. देखो कैसे उठाया हुआ है. Picked me up between his thumb and forefinger, brought me closer to his eyes. और उसने देखो कैसे उसको अपने आँख के सामने लाया. brought me closer to his eyes. Okay, 60 feet above the ground. He looked at me with curiosity. Very, that means he was very curious. Okay, eager to know. And he was just observing me. He was very curious, seeing me. Okay, so he looked at me with curiosity and blew my hair aside to get a better view of my face. And उसने क्या किया, फू ऐसा करते हैं ना जो, he what he did, he looked at me with curiosity and blew my hair. क्योंकि मेरे चेहरे पे हेयर था तो उसने ब्लू किया so that he could see my face. Okay, he called his friend and gently placed me on the ground. उसने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया. he called his friend and very gently, very softly, very gently, he just kept him, he just placed him on the ground. Getting me, students? So what happened then, students? They all sat on the ground to take a good look at me, because all these giant person, they were surprised to see a very tiny little man. छोटे से पर्सन को देख के वो बहुत सरप्राइज थे. तो उसने अपने फ्रेंड को बुलाया था. ही कॉल्ड हिज फ्रेंड. सो ऑल दीज फ्रेंड दे सेट ऑन द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड पे बैठ गए और वो जस्ट उसको देख रहे थे. आप भी कई बार होता है ना, इट हैपन विथ यू ऑल्सो, इट हैपन्स विथ यू ऑल्सो, that you people, when you see the strange thing, you all friends sit and observe closely to that particular thing, right? So the same thing happened over here. All these friends, they sat on the ground and they were just minutely observing that tiny little man. Okay, so i I looked slowly backward and forward, and he just not looked. I walked slowly forward and backward. He was walking because all these giant person was they were watching him. Pulled up my hat and made a low bow towards the farmer. मैंने अपना हैट हटाया एंड उसको अपना मेड अ लो बो टुवर्ड्स द फार्मर, फार्मर की तरफ अपना सर झुकाया. आई ट्राई टू स्पीक टू देम लाउडली इन सेवरल लैंग्वेजेस. हियर he tried, Gulliver tried to speak to them in several languages. Each time I did so, the farmers who picked me up held his ear very close to me, but in vain. Because every now and then, every time, that means I was doing again and again, so this giant person understood that this little tiny man, he wanted to say something. तो उसने giant person ने उसको क्या किया, उसको उठाया और अपने ईयर के पास लाया सो दैट ही कुड हियर. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, इट वाज इन वेन, वो व्यर्थ था. वेन अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, वेन दिया हुआ है. इट वाज इन वेन, इट वाज इन वेन. ओके. द फार्मर टुक मी टू हिज हाउस एंड प्लेस्ड मी एट सम डिस्टेंस ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल विच वॉज 30 feet हाई फ्रॉम द फ्लोर. फिर इसने क्या किया, ये फार्मर ने उसको अपने घर ले गया. टुक मी टू हिज हाउस एंड उसने उसको एक जगह पे रखा जो कि डिस्टेंस ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल पे रखा और जो कि 30 feet 30 feet हाई फ्रॉम द फ्लोर था. ओके. डिनर वॉज ब्रॉट फॉर द फार्मर, और डिनर वॉज ब्रॉट, डिनर लाया गया था. डिनर वॉज ब्रॉट फॉर द फार्मर in a dish which was 10 feet in diameter. That means the dish was so big. Okay. The farmer's wife crumbled some bread and placed it before me. Bread था, उसको crumbled की. Okay. चूरा चूरा करते ना, that is called crumbled some bread and placed it before me. In the middle of the dinner, I heard a noise behind me. That means Gulliver heard a noise just behind him. It was the purring of a cat that was 10 times larger than an ox. You have seen ox? Yes, you have seen. So he has seen a creature over there. He had seen the creature over there. The creature was 10 times big. 10 times larger than an ox. Ox से 10 times larger उसने ऐसा creature देखा था. और वो creature क्या था? That creature was cat. The farmer's wife was stroking him. And farmer's wife उसको just stroke कर रही थी very gently. Then entered the farmer's 1-year-old son in the arms of a lady. And what happened then? One baby child came over there, farmer's 1-year-old child came over there, which was in the arm of a lady. On seeing me, the child grabbed me from the table. Grabbed, पकड़ के पकड़ते हैं ना, जैसे grabbed करना. So as the child saw me, grabbed underline students, as the child saw me, he just grabbed me from the table and put my head into his mouth and he started eating me. Okay. As you know it very well, बच्चों का ये नेचर होता है कि they try to keep everything in their mouth. Children, small kids, baby, they always try to keep everything in their mouth. So same thing happened over here. As the baby saw the little man, he just grabbed and try to put in his mouth. I shouted so loudly that the baby dropped me. उसने इतने जोर से चिल्लाया कि बेबी ने उसको ड्रॉप कर दिया. I would have broken my neck if the mother had not held her apron under me. That means उसने जस्ट उसकी मदर जो थी उसके एप्रॉन के अंडर उसको हेल्ड कर ली, अदरवाइज उसका नेक तो टूट जाता था. Later she put me on her own bed and covered me with a clean and white handkerchief. Handkerchief, underline this word students. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस लेडी, उसने उसको अपने ही बेड पे सुलाया और एक छोटा सा हैंकरचिप था उससे उसको कवर किया. ओके. आई स्लैप्ड ड्रीमिंग ऑफ माई होम, माई वाइफ एंड माई चिल्ड्रन. एज आई वॉज स्लीपिंग in my dream, I was thinking about my wife, my children. Getting me students? In this way, I have come to an end of this chapter. I hope you have understood. Keep learning, keep practicing, Thank you so much. Bye.